pages 40 and 41. 9. Reading.
Murphy's Law. You invite your friends over to watch a final football match on TV. There are plenty of juices in the refrigerator. You have bowls filled with your favorite snacks on the table, and you are all set to watch the big match. You turn on the TV set, and all you get are fuzzy images on the screen. Could this be Murphy's Law at work? Murphy's Law states, if anything can go wrong, it might go wrong. Similar situations occur all the time. When you're in a hurry to open the door and you try several keys on the key ring, the last remaining key is usually the one that works. When you're late meeting your friends and they're all waiting for you at the mall, all the traffic lights are red. When you get in a line at the supermarket, you find you've chosen the slowest one and it just doesn't move. Is this bad luck or coincidence? According to British physicist Robert Matthews, it's neither one nor the other. He explains that our selective memories tend to remember the bad episodes more readily than the things that usually work out. Also, the law of probability is more against us than in our favor in many situations. For example, in the supermarket with 5 cashiers, the chances of getting the fastest lane are 20% and 80% for a slower lane. Matthews became a popular scientist when he proved that a piece of toast doesn't necessarily fall on the floor on the buttered side. BBC television gathered 300 people to throw pieces of buttered toast up in the air and observe on which side they fell. Half fell on the buttered side, and half didn't. Just remember that you cannot blame Murphy's Law for everything that goes wrong. If the hot water runs out while you're taking a shower, it's probably because the hot water heater needs to be fixed. If you miss the bus and are late getting to school, it's probably because you didn't wake up early enough. And if you lose all your files on the computer, let's be honest, it's your fault for not having a backup of your files.
Captain Edward A. Murphy. Captain Edward A. Murphy, Jr. was an engineer at Edwards Air Force Base in the United States. In 1949, he was working on a machine to measure the heartbeat and breathing of pilots. But something was malfunctioning in the equipment as the result of human error. Murphy blamed the lab technician and said, "If there is any way to do it wrong, he will." One person's failure can bring a whole project crashing down, and Murphy's view was that some failure or something negative will typically happen. Murphy's phrase became popular in all areas to explain the failures of everyday things.